quick walk around of a heavy-duty single-axle NEVCO Ezy Approach featuring our original tie-down system, which we call NEVCO Integrated Tie-Down System. It's a series of ovals. Every 2 ovals is a tie-down point for a hook and keeper, and in addition we've got L-track down the sides of the trailer. Good for centre lock wheels. This particular unit has a bolt-on tyre rack which has been specially designed as a retrofit item and is spaced away from the chassis to allow additional clearance for the vehicle's nose to come in under. It's a combination of stainless steel and aluminium, powder coated in the same colour as the panel work on the trailer. This is a heavy duty single axle capable of in excess of 2 tonnes of cargo. The final feature on this unit is under this aluminium cover in the centre at the front are 2 large deep storage lockers, which we call a belly locker. There it is. Heavy duty single axle NEVCO Ezy Approach in our original tie down system.